up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 76 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds by our wonderful mates over at Fanhome. Now, you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me? Follow this link to their website all the way along there. There's a clickable version below in the description. That will take you to their website where you can take out a subscription for this iconic car. Right, today we're going to be putting together the radiator front honeycomb and the top. So we got some bits and bobs there. There's the honeycomb, front part of the radiator, top shroud, cap, and some PS12 screws. And we're going to be fitting that to the back panel. Couple of screws, pop the cap on, and then we'll be joining this to each other. Okay, so that's what we're going to be up to today. And there's your completed radiator, all enclosed and looking rather sexy. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. I've got all the bits and bobs here ready to go, so that's what we got there. Make sure you get that orientated the correct way up. And then we can grab our honeycomb section. That's going to sit on there somewhat like so. And then we've got a couple of screws going in the diagonals holding that in place. So let's grab one of them. Pop that in. And these are self-tappers, these ones, so you shouldn't need any oil. So we're just going to go in, pop them in like so. Have you a bit of that, and then we'll do the same with the other diagonal like that. Just rest that on my knuckle, start the screw in place, like so, and that's that in nice and ready. Okay, so that's what we got there. That's the honeycomb on. We then want to fix the radiator cap using the other PS12 screw. Now, it's got a little woodruff key on it, as you can see, that slots in like that. And then we can grab this screw like so and get ready to put that in place as well. Just like that. Feed that in. Send that all the way home. Again, don't over tighten it, you don't need to. That's the cap in situ. We are then feeding these tabs through like so to sit over them, just like so. And then we'll be pressing that together. So let's just grab that. Feed them tabs through like so. Can only go to one way. Big one on the big one, small one on the small one. And then we can fit that all together. Like that. And you can hear it with a nice resounding click going into place. And just work your way around it, just to make sure that it's all going together. And it's an interference fit. It won't come off. And that is what you're going to end up with, folks. One completed radiator. They're rather splendid. And then this will sit with the fan unit in a nice safe space till we're ready to fit that to our Eleanors, folks. So, if you'd like to build this for yourself, build along with me, follow this link here, all the way along to the Fanhome website. Pop. Clickable version in the description below. Also, to help me out, you can just click the little festa in the corner there and subscribe to me channel. Helps me grow me channel. ring the bell so that you get notified of future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I really do get satisfaction out of this. Also, stay safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.